My name's Thomas Williams. I've been an architect for the last 28 years. My role at Gensler is I'm a design architect and I'm a practice area leader. Gensler, as the world's largest design-only firm, founded in 1965 in San Francisco, has grown to be well over 6,000 practicing professionals in 57 different countries. We have probably 4,500 different projects that are active in design at the moment. We work across nearly every industry. Particularly residential, we have 65,000 units that are either built or in design at the moment. So we're very active in that segment and quite proud of how we can operate as a firm to bring different viewpoints from all of our different practice areas to bear on each and every project. I think architects, we really need to embrace the idea of being the master builder in a sense. Of course, with the speed of technology moving forward, we have to be able to understand a myriad of different inputs and sort of synthesize those inputs into solutions that are really simple and elegant, which is the biggest ask of architects at the time. Marjan Island is really special for Ras Al Khaimah, being the first sort of man-made island with iconic developments coming in. Really gives a special opportunity for this development to take advantage of the momentum that has been building in Ras Al Khaimah. Obviously, any location near the water is going to focus on views, which is really important to the user experience. In this case, sort of a hospitality-based residential design. Zishan's vision for the project was super critical to the way that we approached the design. Having that voice that sort of guides our design process, that sort of vision of bringing together a super impactful team to the project, whether it's operational side, the design side. Gensler's been really proud of the fact that we've given the opportunity to work with him. We're quite proud of the product that's been produced, and we've been very, very happy with the collaborative nature, the Elevate, and how we were able to work together to bring together this project and create a world-class residential development.